What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Goose Goose Duck on your PC for free. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is go to the official Steam website and go over there, and then make sure you have installed the Steam application and also have created a free Steam account. Now once you have done that, you can search for the game Goose Goose Duck and select it. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will see that if you click this button and you have created a free account and installed the Steam application to play this game for completely free. Now click on this button and this game will be added into your game library and you are able to play this game on your PC for free. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!